Now here examiner will say there are 5 vertical lines intersecting 5 horizontal lines. There is a set of 5 vertical lines intersecting another set of 5 horizontal lines. Count what are the maximum number of rectangles possible with these 5 vertical and 5 horizontal lines. First you try. ये पूछेगा, एग्जामिनर डायग्राम नहीं बनाएगा आपके लिए. Examiner will ask same concept without diagram. Examiner will say there is a set of 5 vertical line intersecting another set of 5 horizontal line. Count maximum number of rectangle possible with these lines, or with this 5 vertical and 5 horizontal line. Right? 225, 100. All answers are welcome. It will be mentioned in the question. Don't worry about that. अंधेरे में नहीं खेलेगा एग्जामिनर आपके साथ. एग्जामिनर को डर लगता है. There is a doubt of online students, sir, whether like how we come to know we have to find square or rectangle. That is the responsibility of examiner to ask. Examiner वे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेगा. एग्जामिनर सिंपल क्लियरली बोलेगा whether you have to find rectangle or square. वो क्वेश्चन में लिखा होगा, अदरवाइज क्वेश्चन इज इनकम्प्लीट. वो तो लिखा होगा कि you have to find squares or you have to find rectangle. हाँ जी, what is your answer? इनका अलग आ रहा है 150. अच्छा सुन गया. 225, 100, 225. See, many students they think 5 vertical, 5 horizontal line give 5 by 5 figure. No. You draw 3 vertical line. 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal line. 1, 2, 3. Check. Are you getting 3 by 3 figure or 2 by 2 figure? When you draw 5 vertical and 5 horizontal line, your net result will not be 5 by 5 figure. Draw करके देख लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your net figure will be 4 by 4. So simple rule is when number of lines are given, your figure will be 1 less. If this is 5 vertical, 5 horizontal line, your figure will be 4 by 4. If it is 3 vertical, 3 horizontal line, never give 3 by 3 figure. That gives you a 2 by 2 figure. If examiner asks you to draw 10 vertical line, 10 horizontal line, I guarantee you can try 10 vertical and 10 horizontal line give you 9 by 9 figure. एक एक कम होता है. So in 5 vertical and 5 horizontal line, our figure will be 4 by 4. And what is our formula for rectangle? Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it is 10 into 10, 100 is correct answer. Your figure will not be 5 by 5, your figure will be 4 by 4. Okay, I ask you 2-3 questions. A set of 6 vertical lines intersect with another set of 6 horizontal lines. Count what are the maximum number of squares possible. Squares possible. You have to be careful about the question. What are the number of squares possible with these lines? $91 is wrong answer. नहीं, 6 तो लाइन है. फिगर 5x5 बनेगा. If you use 6 vertical 6 horizontal line, your figure will be 5x5, not 6x6. 55 करेक्ट है, 91 रॉन्ग बोला मैंने. मैं तो आपकी तरफ देखा ही नहीं, मैं तो उनको देख के रॉन्ग बोल रहा. 55 is correct answer, 91 is wrong answer. Why? Because 6 vertical and 6 horizontal line give you a figure 5x5. Either you draw, but there is no need. Directly you can say 5x5 figure. Then you have to be careful what is a square. For square our formula is 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 1, 0 into 0. So it is 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So here we have 50. Okay. I ask you two more questions. Be careful. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. A set of 5 vertical lines intersect with another set of 6 horizontal lines. 5 vertical line intersects with 6 horizontal lines. Count what are the maximum number rectangle possible with these lines. Five vertical and 6 horizontal line give how many rectangles? That is the question. So here number of line 5 vertical 6 horizontal, your figure will be 4/5. एक एक कम करना. You can check. If it is 4/5 figure, number of rectangle bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 10 into 15, 150 number of rectangles possible. Done. One more question, then I take parallelogram with rhombus. A set of 7 vertical lines intersect with another set of 5 horizontal lines. Count what are the maximum number of squares possible with these lines. Means 7 vertical and 5 horizontal line give how many squares? Done. What is the answer? Yes. This is 7 vertical and 5 horizontal line. Your net figure will be 6/4. And what I asked, number of squares. For 6/4 figure, number of square, we start with given value 6 into 4, 5 into 3, 4 into 2, 3 into 1. So this is 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3. गलती की मैंने कुछ? 8 plus 3 11 plus 15 26 plus 24 50. एनी डाउट? ओके, ये पूछेगा, डायग्राम नहीं देगा, आई टेल यू फ्रेंकली, क्योंकि वो दिन जा चुके डायग्राम देने के। बट द कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी विल हेल्प यू, वही तो कंसेप्ट तो वही है ना। नाउ यू पुट हेडिंग पैरेललोग्राम्स, पैरेललोग्राम। इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, दो पैरेलल लाइन ग्राफ। Any one of you don't know what is parallelogram? Just raise hand. Okay. Detail I will tell you later when I discuss geometry mensuration with you. But I can just tell you, this is rectangle where opposite sides parallel equal, each angle 90 degree. Each angle here 90 degree. Sometimes like we observe tiles or like tiles का pattern observe करते हैं, जैसे अपने वाले फ्लोर पे रेक्टेंगल शेप का टाइल है, मेनली लाइक 90% पीपल दे गो विद अ स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल टाइल्स, बट कुछ लोग होते हैं उनको टेढ़ी मेढ़ी टाइल लगवाने में मजा आता है, थोड़े टेढ़े वाले टाइल्स लगे हुए हैं इस तरह का, इसको टेढ़ा कर दो, यू जस्ट टिल्ट इट, इसको थोड़ा टिल्ट कर दो, दैट बिकम पैरेललोग्राम। द रेस्ट इज सेम, सिर्फ एक एंगल का डिफरेंस है। दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड, this side is equal to this side, same like rectangle, only the difference is here each angle is 90 degree, here angle will be maybe less than 90, maybe more than 90, other than 90, ऐसा tilted, this is called parallelogram, only there is a difference in angle, and this comparison or similarity will help you to count number of parallelograms. I tell you how. I will not give you new shortcut, we try to use same जो हमने सीखा है, बट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू एस्टेब्लिश ए सिमिलरिटी, थोड़ा सिमिलरिटी ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो इजी रहेगा। हियर इन दिस फिगर वी काउंट नंबर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स, इसमें रेक्टेंगल देखेंगे, दिस इज रेक्टेंगल नंबर 1, रेक्टेंगल नंबर 2, रेक्टेंगल नंबर 3, रेक्टेंगल नंबर 4। हियर यू हैव टू काउंट पैरेललोग्राम, this is parallelogram, yes, parallelogram number 1, parallelogram number 2, parallelogram number 3, parallelogram number 4. Then this is rectangle number 5, rectangle number 6. Similarly here this is parallelogram, correspond karo, this is parallelogram. Then this is rectangle, yes, this is rectangle, yes. Here is it parallelogram? Yes. Is it parallelogram? Yes. Then the larger figure is rectangle, this larger figure is parallelogram. Since it is totally same, only there is a difference in angle, whatever short trick we have learned for rectangle is applicable for parallelogram. No need for new shortcut. In rectangle, type 1 question, when it is n by n figure, here it will not be column row, but it figure is n by n. You can call this figure as 2 by 2. You can call this figure as 3 by 3. So we can have 2 by 2 figure, 3 by 3 figure, we can have 4 by 4 figure, we can have 5 by 5 figure. So if it is n by n figure, how we can manage number of parallelogram? You apply rectangle short trick. What is our short trick? Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, because number of parallelogram same है, बस उसमें एंगल का डिफरेंस है. रेक्टेंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम इज नॉट हैविंग एनी डिफरेंस अदर देन एंगल. Like here in this figure, if it is 3 by 3 figure, if we check, So here our shortcut tell you bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3. So here it is 6 into 6, 36. 36. Now here this figure it is 2 by 2. So bracket start 1 plus 2. Second bracket start 1 plus 2. So 3 into 3, 9. In this given figure, how many parallelograms are there? 9. देखो किसने इसमें बुकलेट नंबर 1 की पीडीएफ डाली हुई है ठीक है फोल्डर में डाली हुई है This is 4 by 4 figure. We have to count how many parallelograms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 by 4 figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it is 10 into 10, 100. So in this given figure, there are 100 parallelograms are there. So meaning here, rectangle short trick will help you in parallelogram. Exactly the same. No confusion. You try one question. In this given figure, count number of parallelogram and keep answer with yourself. Done. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This given figure is 5 by 5. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 15 into 15, 225. Now type 2 for parallelogram. When it is not n by n figure. It is 5 by 3 figure. So let me tell you, type 1, it is n by n figure. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Into second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Type 2 same like rectangle. If it is n by m figure, n by m, like it is 5 by 3. Here our shortcut is same. In first bracket it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n a natural number. Second bracket it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to m. Sum of first m natural. Like since it is 5 by 3, so bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Second bracket it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 3, 6, 10, 15 into 6, 90. In this given figure, we have 90 parallelogram. Right. Take your time, count number of parallelogram in the given figure and keep answer with yourself. Done. This given figure is 4 by 3. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, so 4 by 3 bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3, this is 10 into 6 60. One more question, then I take rhombus. एक क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं. Take your time. Count number of parallelogram in the given figure. This is 5 by 4. Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Second bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here it is 15 into 10. We get 150. All of you got 150. Any doubt? Now next put heading rhombus. हाँ जी, क्या जी, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो. नहीं, अगर ऐसी फिगर देगा तो इसमें तो स्क्वायर एक भी नहीं. हाँ, इस फिगर में बोलेगा हाउ मेनी पैरेललोग्राम्स आर देयर. Then you will say this is rectangle, but it is parallelogram as well. ये तो parallelogram भी है. It is parallelogram. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. ठीक है. बट ऐसी टेढ़ी फिगर में तो स्क्वायर जीरो होगा ना. स्क्वायर की कंडीशन ही क्या, 90 डिग्री एंगल होना चाहिए. इफ आई गिव यू दिस टाइप ऑफ डायग्राम, इफ इन केस अगर मैंने टेढ़ा डायग्राम दिया एंड आई आस्क हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी रेक्टेंगल्स आर देयर, आंसर इज जीरो. Because what is the condition for square and rectangle? Angle has to be 90 degree. But parallelogram के लिए there is no condition. Rhombus. How many of you don't know rhombus? जिनको पैरेललोग्राम नहीं पता उसको तो rhombus पता ही नहीं है. कुछ लोगों को पैरेललोग्राम पता है बट rhombus नहीं पता. ओके. This is A, angle 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. This is square. What are the property of square? All four sides are equal and all four angle 90 degree. We compare rhombus and square. I tell you very simple difference. It is square, it is rhombus. Square is like बर्फी, rhombus is like काजू कतली. ठीक है, काजू कतली की जो कटिंग होती है वो इस साइड. Here this is A. Only the difference in square, each and every angle is 90 degree. If you tilt your square, you get a rhombus. Just see the similarity. Square को थोड़ा tilt कर दोगे, rhombus बन जाए. Sides A, as we have in square, all four sides are equal. But in square, there is a condition that angle has to be 90 degree, whereas in rhombus, there is no condition of angle. अगर आप square को थोड़ा tilt करेंगे, you get a rhombus. And this will help you for the short. पैरेललोग्राम की साइड चारों बराबर नहीं होती. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन रोम्बस एंड पैरेललोग्राम? In rhombus, this is A, whereas in parallelogram, we have different sides. We can have different sides. It is A, this is B. This is the difference. Same difference in square and rectangle. स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल में तो यही डिफरेंस है, स्क्वायर की चारों साइड बराबर होती हैं, एंगल 90 डिग्री, रेक्टेंगल all angles are 90 degree, but there is no compulsion that all four sides has to be equal. Here A, B, B, A. This is the difference in parallelogram. Parallelogram और rhombus में वही difference. In rhombus it is compulsion that all four sides has to be equal. rhombus की चारों साइड बराबर होनी चाहिए, whereas in parallelogram there is no compulsion. Similarly in square all four sides has to be equal, whereas in rectangle there is no compulsion. And what is the difference in square and rhombus is angle. Here angle compulsion is 90 degree, whereas in rhombus angle is no compulsion 90 degree. Square को tilt कर दो तो rhombus बन जाए. That's it. हाँ वो तो है, सब में ही है. Opposite sides should be parallel in all four. सब चारों में वो कंडीशन है, opposite sides parallel and equal. Opposite sides has to be parallel, even in parallelogram, even in rectangle, even in square, even in rhombus. I will teach that detail later when I will teach geometry mensuration, but मुझे सिर्फ आज ये बताना है कि स्क्वायर और रोम्बस में क्या सिमिलरिटी है, कि all four sides are equal, और क्या डिफरेंस है. इफ यू टिल्ट ए स्क्वायर यू गेट ए रोम्बस. एक स्क्वायर को तिरछा कर दो तो रोम्बस बन जाएगा. दैट्स इट. And it will help you for your short trick, like in this figure and in this figure. In this figure we focus on square, in this figure we focus on rhombus. This is square, this is square, this is square, this is rhombus number 1, rhombus number 2, rhombus number 3, rhombus number 4. Here this is square number 5, which is larger one. Similarly here this is also rhombus. If there are 5 square, here there are 5 rhombus. The number will be equal, only the difference in angle. थोड़ा angle का difference है. So what we will do, if you have to count number of rhombus, type 1, if it is n by n figure. It can be 2 by 2 figure, it can be 3 by 3 figure, it can be 4 by 4 figure. You apply your square short trick. Square rhombus, same short trick. Square की short trick क्या थी? n into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. Start with the given value and keep on subtracting 1 and multiply. Here this figure is 3 by 3. So as per our rule, start with 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So this is 9 plus 4 plus 1. So what you have? 13 plus 1, 4. In this given figure, how many rhombus are there? 40. Any of offline, hybrid, online student have not joined Telegram group? ठीक है, आज कर लेना. आप लोग बाहर QR कोड ले सकते हैं. Online student you can call on reception number, because sometimes I will share some home assignment on Telegram. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन जो है मैं Telegram पे शेयर करता हूँ. Like here, if it is 2 by 2 figure, which is very easy. How many rhombus are there? 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So it is 4 plus 1, 5. This given figure is 4 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 by 4 figure. So here it is 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. It is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. What is your total? 30. In this given figure, how many rhombus are there? 30. Next question. Try. And offline hybrid student, all of you got booklet number 1. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट एनी वन ऑफ यू हैव रिसीव्ड यट, मतलब 1 वीक का टाइम लगेगा, किसी को मिली अब तक बुकलेट नंबर 1 रिसीव हो चुकी है? Okay, by 22nd of June, if you will not receive your parcel, you call on our reception number. 22nd जून तक आई थिंक सबको पहुंच जाना चाहिए, until unless आप नेपाल में बैठे हो, किसी को नहीं पहुंचा. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so it is 5 by 5. So 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So it is 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So what you get? 55. Now next is type 2. Type 2 is when it is not n by n figure, it is n by m figure. हाँ yes, for rhombus, नहीं तो वो rhombus बनेगा ही नहीं. Type 1 is n by n, so it is n into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. Type 2, n by m. Same. What is the short trick in case of square? N into m plus n minus 1 into m minus 1 plus n minus 2 into m minus 2 and so. Start with given value n into m, जो दिया है उसी से start, और एक एक subtract करके multiply कर. So now here this is 5 by 3 figure. So how many rhombus are there? 5 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. So what we get? 15 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0. So what is 15 plus 8? 23 plus 3, 26. So how many rhombus we have here? We have 26. Okay, clear? Take your time in this given figure, count number of rhombus and keep your answer with yourself. And what is your answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6, मैंने चेंज कर दिया था, 6/4, 6/4. So it is 6 into 4 plus 5 into 3 plus 4 into 2, 3 into 1. So it is 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3. So here 24 plus 26, we got 50. I will discuss PYQ based on this. If you have booklet, page number 14, online student, I will show you question on board. Don't worry about that part. There are only two questions related to this. Question number 1 or 3 we will do later. Question number 2, I write on board for online student. Question number 2 is, this is asked in 2017. There are 4, या ऑनलाइन वालों के लिए टेलीग्राम पे मैं फोटो खींच के भेजता हूँ, ठीक है. Online student, I have shared this on your Telegram. Try question number 2. Telegram, you check your Telegram. Online students. There are 4 horizontal and 4 vertical lines. Parallel and equidistant to one another on a board. What is the maximum number of rectangles and squares that can be formed? Answer option A 16, B 24, C 36, D 42. Okay. So it is 4 horizontal, 4 vertical line. So your figure will be 3 by 3. Let us do. In 3 by 3 figure, how many rectangles are there? Bracket start 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 into 6, 36. How many squares are there? 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1, 9 plus 4 plus 1, 40. But tell me, when you are counting 36 rectangle, all these 14 squares are already counted. जब आपने rectangle count किया उनमें squares तो already count हो चुके हैं. You are counting this as a rectangle, so it means you have already counted square. So here, just to confuse you, in UPSC they use word rectangle and squares. Okay, like for example, in this class, offline students, these are 90 human beings, and there are 30 male. Yet there are 50 male and 40 female. For example, in this class we have. I ask you in this class how many human being and male are there. Their answer is simple 90. Because males are already included in human being. Male is a set of human being. Do you have any male which is not a human being here? तो यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा स्क्वायर जो इस रेक्टेंगल के अलावा है. You already done counting of this 14 inside this 36, so you have to mark answer 36. If in 2026 UPSC will ask similar question, will ask you how many number of rectangle and squares are there, you have to count rectangle, because squares are already included in rectangle. Squares are already counted in rectangle. जब आपने rectangle count किया, square already count हो चुके हैं. So your answer is 36. Okay. Just to confuse you, this question is asked. हाँ जी. अगर ये पूछता separately number of rectangle and number of square and दो आंसर ऑप्शन दिए होते 36 and 14, 16 and 14, 24 and 13, 42 and 10, then you can say 36 and 14. But they have given only one answer option. It means square is already included in rectangle, which are not square. हाँ. Yes, then also same. हाँ, अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता, we will change this question. अब इस क्वेश्चन को चेंज कर लेते हैं. What are the number of rectangle which are not square? Which are not square. How many human being are there which are not male? तो आपने करना पड़ता 36 minus 14, then your answer is 22. फिर आपका आंसर 22. Rectangle which are not square are 22. There are 14 rectangle which are square as well. मतलब आपका ऐसा सेट बन रहा है, these are 36 rectangle, and out of 36 rectangle, these 14 are square as well. So if they are asking how many rectangle and square, 36. You don't have more than 36. Total 36 figure है इसमें. But there are 22 rectangle which are not square. There are 14 rectangle which are square as well. There are 14 rectangle which are square as well. It is a part of rectangle only. तो अगर उन्होंने आंसर ऑप्शन ऐसा दिया तो आंसर 36 है. If question is like how many rectangles are there which are not square, then answer will be 20. Question number 4.